Are you ready? We're all going to end up there someday. What am I, Bodine?
Oh, you didn't know?
Hello, folks, and welcome to my channel. This is Mr. McStache. On the road again. I about run that red light. Yeah, that'd have been good. Anyhow, what I wanted to talk to you about was spoofs. I'm sure it's happened to some of the larger channels, either on purpose or just because. But I was thinking about spoofing some of my fellow photo vloggers. And I was wondering if that would be cool or not. I'm sure, like I said, I'm sure it's been done. But they say, what is it? Copying or something is the greatest form of flattery. You know, so it's all a good thing. It's not bad that I'm making fun of people like Bodine 52, and I should know where I'm at. But and HDR and some of the others I might decide to spoof on. But I wonder what you people thought about that. So if you could, let me know in the comments. And maybe you will be spoofed if you have a channel. If not, give me a suggestion of who I should spoof. I was out working today, and the motorcycle picture game is going on, and the challenge currently is picture of your bike by a movie theater. And since it's upper 60s, I'm going to say it hit 70. I don't know that for sure, but I'm going to say it hit 70 today. If it didn't, I'd be real surprised because we're all over it. So, after I got done with work, which this is work, after I got done with work, I decided to go play me some motorcycle picture game and do me some moto vlogging. So I'm taking you guys with me to play motorcycle picture game. Uber Eats. Now that I'm done working, I got to remember I got to stop at these stoplights. I'm not allowed to buzz right through them. You guys are crooked, I think. Hopefully not. Hopefully that's just my... There. That way maybe you're straight now. Ugh. Hopefully I didn't lose all that footage. You know? So we're getting ready to get on the Highway and buzz down to a place where there is a movie theater, so I can score me some points on motorcycle picture game. Thank you for coming. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Just beat the mad out of it. Give me a thumbs up on the video, please. Builds my ego, makes me feel better about myself. Yeah, if you haven't already, and you like riding around with Mr. McStache, or you think I'm an idiot and just want to laugh at me, I don't mind. Go ahead and hit me. Yeah, you just want to laugh, it's fine. Laugh along with me. I don't mind a bit. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. Tap the bell notification right next to it. You'll know when I upload a video, you can laugh some more. Normally my videos come out every Tuesday. Why Tuesday, you ask? I don't know, I don't have an answer. But that's just what I do, is every Tuesday. Right now. It's a day. About 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So, there you go, there's that. You know what? I have hours and hours of ride footage that have no audio. I might find me some music and just, when I get into this a little bit more seriously, which I probably won't, man, I'm telling you, I do this because I really enjoy it. But hey, maybe you all can help me out that way. If you know where to get music to put to your videos, so I can take some of this hours and hours of ride footage I got that either had bad audio or I just didn't talk. Yeah, maybe I'll find me some music and put it up to it. I don't know. Anyway, keep it rubber side down. Love on your family members. Check on a buddy. That's a big one for me. Check on your buddies. I'm actually going to my buddies tonight playing Bones. If you don't know what Bones is, it's for the old people. Excuse me. So, love on your family. Check on your buddies. Keep it rubber side down when you get back on it. Hey, it's Mr. McStache. We'll be seeing you. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. I really, really, really enjoy doing this. And if you haven't got enough McStache experience for the day, there's a video popping up here and here.